Hi everybody and welcome to Vlogtober day 14. Exciting. So yeah. As you guys just seen, it is raining and pouring. I love this weather so much. I think I'm going to actually open the back door. It's so peaceful. And yeah, so basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. And then I'm going to be going to pick up a Walmart order. My kids are still kind of sick, not feeling the best, so I don't want to take them out anywhere. We were supposed to go to the pumpkin patch, but it's not working out right now. It's literally raining and pouring, so it's fine. I'm going to clean out the refrigerator, go get the Walmart order, and then do a grocery haul, and then stock the fridge with you guys. So yeah. This is literally the reality of my refrigerator, guys. It's very bad, if you guys can see. So what I'm going to do is take everything out and kind of just put it on the counter, like everything. A lot of this stuff is expired. Before. My daughter's playing with her toys. Yeah, it's so nice right now. We have Hotel Transylvania on, so that's cute. Okay, this is expired. I'm pretty sure it's super expired, but we'll just keep them because my grandma will be all shipped out. We have a lot of medicine because there's a lot of people in the house. My grandma has different medicines for her, and then my sons are sick, and my daughter, so yeah. But that's like literally straight water. Like, that is so disgusting. Like, I don't even want to show you guys. I don't know what's up with that. I wonder if you guys can even see it. That is so weird. I can't even smell, luckily. Look, it looks gross. One egg. I can't order for food right now. Some of these. I don't even know what these are. If you know what these are, let me know. But yeah, that's gonna keep. Let's see. This is November 11th, so that's good. The sour cream is all gone. I still ordered another one. There's nothing in here. So yeah, dump that out. Doesn't it look so nice? Okay. Whoa. No, that's disgusting. And you guys can judge me on that. These are both super expired. Biscuits. Pardon? Look how big this thing is. Crazy, huh? This is what it looks like right now. Arabella, what are you doing? I love you. What are you on, your mother's room? I love you. Let me see. Oh, here you go. Arabella, what are you doing? An odd number, I mean, of these things. It's gonna bother me. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting an order today, but. This is trash. Okay, so soon, and like after I get my son's get off at 3. The Walmart order is gonna be ready between 4 and 5. Soon I'm gonna go get the Walmart order. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Hi, can I do a medium? Oh no, can I do a large pumpkin iced latte?
Okay, so iced pumpkin spice?
Yes.
Okay.
But with no whipped cream.
Okay.
Or actually, yeah, can I just do light whipped cream?
Okay.
And then, what do you want, babe? A large? Can I get a large Frappuccino, the caramel ribbon crunch?
With extra crunchies.
Okay.
Extra crunchies.
With extra crunchies, like the toppings.
Okay.
Do you want? That's it? Okay. And then can I just get one small water with no ice?
Okay.
And that's all.
$14.20.
Thank you.
Yeah, $14.
Yes, very well. Okay, I'm gonna scan my little star thing, so hold on. So we're just gonna go to the Walmart. So yeah, like I kind of said a little bit earlier, is that we're not going to the pumpkin patch because the kids aren't feeling good and it's raining. Hey, this thing is huge. It looks so good.
Like, where are you gonna put it?
I'm just gonna drink my water really quick, like chug it. Cheers. I was like so dehydrated. Well, let's get a thumbnail.
He's crazy, y'all.
I'm crazy. I'm cooking.
You know, pops open and fucking falls everywhere. Imagine.
That's. Oh, it's such a pretty picture.
Oh, that shake.
It's supposed to be ASMR. Three of these. These are 5 pounds. I'm gonna split them up into 2 bags, like 2 separate nights per bag, so that's pretty good. I got a bag of shrimp because I want to make shrimp Alfredo. And then I got 4 of these festive regular ground turkeys. Now these are the cheapest ones and they're not the healthiest for you, but usually I get like the Genio or like a better brand. But right now this is what I got, so 4 of these. Let's see. A thing of organic bananas. Oh, let's see, I got 4 limes. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomatoes. Let's see. Okay, this was a really good deal. This was $2 for this bag of potatoes. This is only 3 pounds, but for $2, that's pretty good. So these are just the red potatoes. I also got a bag on sale for $2.49 of Gala apples, which was really good for apples. Last month, they were $5.86 for a bag of apples. That's crazy. Okay, we just got a thing of original saltines. I asked for the wheat ones, but they gave us these ones, so that's fine. 2 boxes of the macaroni and cheese, thick and creamy.
Did you get butter, honey?
Oh, I forgot butter.
Oh.
I have to go. I'll get it tomorrow. I totally forgot.
No, because I want to get enough too. I'm going to make the tree.
Yep, that sounds good. I love this. I've talked about it before. This is the best, I think, boxed food. It's by Zatarand. It's the jambalaya. So good. I just cut up some sausage, bell peppers, onions, celery, and it's super good. I got 5 of these chicken marichon top ramens. Boys, you're supposed to be doing your homework. This is the best. Like, these are really good tortillas, and for the price, I think they're like $2.49 for 20 of these small fajita ones. We eat like a lot of tortillas around here. I got light sour cream.
You're gonna die.
I got not 1, Not 2. Not 3. Oh, it's for pork tenderloin. But 4 types of cheeses. Because I'm going to make homemade mac and cheese soon. So I got these 2 blocks. Oh. I got these 2 blocks for these. 2 blocks of these.
Only one that's going to go through. Only one.
And then I got 2 of these.
The one over there. Not the gray one. The one before the gray one.
I got...
on the ground. Before you put
Well,
I didn't put stepping stones.
This is cooked ham. I thought I got the big one. I guess they went up in price. So I got the cooked ham and some rotisserie seasoned chicken breast.
In the red pot.
That big red one you have on? The big white one?
2 things of pork sausages.
Except the one over there.
This is for the jambalaya. This is just the smoked sausage.
They're hard?
We got a big
Good job,
black
high five.
cloud coming.
Wait,
I'm
let
gonna
me
let
see.
him in.
Do it?
Oh no, son, you're supposed to fill in the word, son. So it says fill in the missing short vowel for each of them. I noticed that they're both wasting like more than half the Lunchables now. So 4 Lunchables. These are all chicken and American
There's other
cheese.
flavors. I didn't know which one to grab.
I have no idea.
I got a gallon of milk.
Oh, that's good. Okay, 0 plus 3 is what?
Got 2 of these low-fat yogurt tubes, the Great Value kind.
Is what? 13. So you go. And you go 6 plus 7, right? So 13. Hold on, I don't know if I can do this. Like when you add it, remember? Like you just add the whole thing together, or do you like that? Like for the first 2 things, you put the 1 over. So then 7 plus 6 equals 13. We have the 1 over here. That's not right.
$7, which is good, but a double thing of eggs. We eat a lot of eggs around here.
Add 5.
Usually get this. I don't really like buying the small chips anymore, but this is what I like to get. The popcorners, 15 bags for like $10. That's really good. Frozen tater tots. Frozen broccoli.
8 plus 7 is what?
Chicken nuggets.
Son,
These
How you
home
forget?
style meatballs.
so simple.
Okay, I got a Caesar kit. These are really good. I love these things.
Okay, 18. And then you get
I got some
15
peeled garlics.
Look, pay attention. I'm talking to you, son. I'm trying to teach you something.
Celery,
You know how to
of
do it.
course, and lettuce.
You understand?
2 pork loins. This one was $10. This one was
Is that how
$8.
you feel?
No, this was $12. Cheese, because I did not
8 plus
buy
7
this. So
is
1 more thing of cheese.
15, right? This one. 20 plus 1.
Those look really good.
9 plus 8 is what?
Okay, and so I got 2
What's 8
cream of chicken mushroom soups and 2 cream of, 2 cream of mushroom soup,
That's what I get.
no salt, and 2 cream of chicken soup, no salt, like the healthy kind. Like that's what it says on there, the healthy one. No salt added, sweet peas. I love peas. And they were supposed to give me 2 cans of these. It might be in there, but I don't know if it is. 1 hearty chicken noodle, Great Value. A bag of chicken. Okay, this is really good actually. I tried this once and I love this. It's only like $3. It's black and white drizzle popcorn. Already popped. So good.
You know what I'm saying? Simple, man.
Corn tortillas.
Every time you put this extra number 1 here, these numbers are 2 greater than 9. So 8 and 8. No.
Right here, son.
That's not the wrong. 8 and 8 is what?
Here. Can you see the eraser?
Okay. 6 down.
My other family just popcorn.
Okay. Now 6 plus 4.
Yeah. 2 jars of, this is my favorite one.
7 plus 1.
It's only $3 and it only has 8 ingredients. It's the Ragu Simply Roasted Garlic Sauce. Raw honey.
Price on it. The price tag. That's what it is. It's the price tag. What is this? Yeah, you're mixing an 8.
3 bell peppers. I love bell peppers. I use them a lot when I cook. really good for you and really taste good.
Yeah, there you go. Come on.
Okay, I got these, I got these puddings for my son because they love puddings. These are just the chocolate and vanilla, 0 sugar. Okay, and then I just got like a little Great Value creamer, the powder kind. Oh, and then I just got 3 cans of corn. This is the no salt added. And somebody had, I think, asked me if it's a lot more expensive. The no salt added is literally the exact same price as the other ones, if not 1 or 2 cents more expensive. But yeah, vegetables, I think because of the canning, they have a lot of, like if you look at a normal, which it doesn't really matter, but like it doesn't really matter. But if you look at a regular can of vegetables, it has way more sodium than the no salt ones. This is just the ones that I prefer. But yeah, so that's everything that we got. I think it was like $191 or something like that, around there. But we'll have to go back to the store to get some other stuff, of course, like when we run out. I forgot butter, and that's like the main thing we need, and I forgot oil. So I'm gonna have to go back to the store and get those. We already had bread, we already had cereal, things like that we already had here. But yeah, I'm super blessed and super thankful. I'm gonna separate this chicken right here, and then yeah, and just kind of put everything away.
No. Yeah.
I am planning on doing a clean my pantry and organize our meal.
4 plus 3 equals how much? Okay, so no. 4 plus 3. So you have 4. But see, I'm trying to show you something. Put up 4 fingers, and then you gotta add 3. Add 3 more fingers. 1. You added 1 finger. Add another finger. That's 9. And then other finger. 10. Yeah.
I'm like, it's still early.
Son, put your homework in this folder. It's underneath your backpack. Son. I don't see no fishes on it. I don't even know. Candy. Hurry up. Come on, give me a whole bag. Yeah.
These are just the sugar-free ones.
You want that? What do you want? Come here. Come here. Come here. These at all.
I tried.
Yeah.
I know I fail at many things.
Wow.
These are for chicken Alfredo. My husband will put the chicken in the freezer. So technically this could be like 6 dinners, which is really good because I got 3 bags for around like $18. So that's a really good thing. But if I make baked chicken, because I like a lot of baked chicken, then I'll have to pull out 2 of these. But if I'm going to make something where the chicken is boiled, then I only need 1 bag. But technically this would feed us like for 6 nights in a row. So that's a really, really good price. So yeah. Chicken. Okay guys, and that is going to be the end of Vlogtober day 14. 14, that's 15. 14. Thank you for being here and watching all the way to the end. If you are here all the way to the end, leave a spooky emoji down below. My newest favorite spooky emoji has been the bat, but I've always liked that one. But yeah, leave a comment, leave your opinion, good or bad. Just try not to be too mean. I appreciate any comments that I get, good or bad. And I hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogtober. Tomorrow, no matter what, we are going to go get the kids' costumes, so that's exciting. I still have a bunch of stuff, like I keep saying every video, which I do, planned. Pumpkin patch, date night, spooky date night. That one is going to be super exciting. We're going to a paranormal circus. So yeah, super exciting things are coming up. taste testing, Halloween mukbang still, lots of things. It's going to be a busy rest of the month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it very much. Thank you for being here. It was an alright day. My kids are feeling a lot better, thank God. But yeah, stay spooky, stay kooky, and I will see you goals tomorrow. Bye.